Hi friends, do you want to create a website for kids store? This video is for you. I'll show you some of pre-made website. This is one of the pre-made website that is showing a stunning look and dedicated to kids store and kids products. This is another one, and it is also having a perfect look. Similarly, we have 8 options to choose with, and this is available with Kidsy WordPress theme. In this video we are going to install Kidsy WordPress theme. We will import our demo content and create a demo website like any of these. We will preview the theme options, customization options and all these things so that you may decide your theme correctly and choose the feature whatever you want and explore the possibilities of future add-ons in your website. Everything is in this video, and if you are coming to this channel at very first time, you may please subscribe this channel. This is WP Themes channel that is bringing all the WordPress themes, plugin and utilities for you. And Kidsy is a kids store and baby shop WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it has been developed by WP Bingo. The theme is actually new. It came into existence in 2021 in June only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. The great thing with this theme is that it has been optimized for speed, and speed is the key for the success of any e-commerce or any other website. So speed is the utmost important requirement nowadays, and Google has announced it clearly that fast loading website will be preferred in the search results. Kidsy is compatible with Elementor Pro, WooCommerce latest version and the WordPress latest version and also things, and it came with many pre-made website, that is 8, and express installation is available, multi-currency support is available, and instant Ajax search is given and another added advantage to this theme. So everything that you need for a professional e-commerce website is available for Kidsy, and it is dedicated to kids store, kids product, e-commerce shop. So let us begin the installation first. I have a fresh installation of WordPress that is running 2021 WordPress theme on a fresh installation and latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.1. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, some plugins has been provided, Revolution Slider and WP Bingo, and sample data has been provided separately so that we may import the demo data just in case manually as well. And the theme pack and the main theme pack and the child theme pack is here, so we shall be using these files for our installation. To begin the installation we have to go in the appearance section and then click on themes, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the kidsy.zip which is laying under theme folder. Just remember, we don't have to upload the complete package that we received in our purchase, so we have to only upload the installable file, that is kidsy.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, that is you are having access on file manager or FTP, so you can upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. In fact, the theme is really optimized and it is having 17.23 MB in size, and that is a clear indication that the code is well optimized, well written, and the standard is maintained during the development and writing the code of Kidsy WordPress theme. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this Kidsy folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is not required now. We have already extracted its part. And both activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme, or you can upload directly to the server. So both brings same result. Don't get confused, don't repeat the process. And since we have uploaded and extracted the theme pack, we are fine to go in the theme section again. And now we have Kidsy as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Kidsy version 1.0.0. Kidsy is a modern, clean and professional WooCommerce WordPress theme. It is built to well suit for any online store, electronic store, fashion store, jewelry store and etc. This is being the common introduction. Now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us check the list of plugins that is required. These are some plugins that have been pre-packed and required, and some has been recommended for using the complete feature of Kidsy WordPress theme. Only two are required, that is WP Bingo Core and Revolution Title. That also has been supplied separately in the theme pack, and this theme uses Elementor and Redux framework. This both combination brings a great technical result. Elementor and Redux works very fine on the website, and technically it is a very good combination. So you have advantage of speed and technology with the Kidsy WordPress theme, and of course WooCommerce and associate plugins giving the features that you need for an e-commerce store. And Redux framework is already here, so we need to install all the plugins, and I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. Now I must tell you, you can avail the same capacity hosting as you are watching on the screen, that all the 8 plugins got installed in just 2 or 3 seconds. So if you want to avail this perfectly suited WordPress hosting, you just follow the link given in the description. There is only single link given in the description of this video that will navigate you for choosing the hosting plan, and you can get the theme pack as well. So all will be available in a single link, and that hosting plan comes with pre-installed WordPress theme. That is, you will get the Kidsy already installed there with the demo website that you have chosen. So it is all available for you. And since we have installed the plugins, we can go back to the installer screen, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins. This can also be done in a single click, and I am doing so. Okay, so great, all the installed plugins has been activated successfully. Simply click on dashboard to check whether the WooCommerce needs certain information. Yes, it is going to WooCommerce basic information page, and we need to fill all the details, and you have to fill all the details applicable for you. I am just putting the sample data. Don't copy this. In fact, you have to put your data, your information as applicable for you. I'm just completing the process. this is the next step, physical products, continue, and here we need to select number of products expected on the store, and we need to uncheck this free features, it is actually not required, and continue. And here you need to choose continue with my active theme, that is Kidsy. It is important. And now the installation of WooCommerce is also complete. So we are now with all set of plugins and the theme itself, and we can take a look of our website how it looks at this stage, that is with the theme and all set of plugins. So this is being the basic look of Kidsy WordPress theme, and yes, it is without any demo content, demo data. So if you have your own wireframe and you are willing to make your website with your own unique design, wireframes, structures, blocks, you can start building your website scratch from here. You will get all the features available in Kidsy WordPress theme, but WordPress is well known for the pre-made website, and we can target any pre-made website like this. For this we have to import the demo content that is given in the theme pack itself. So let us proceed towards importing the demo content. After that I will show you all the features and all the facilities that we got in this installation. Let us proceed for demo first, and I am searching for the option where it is available. It should be under appearance tab. Okay, it is not. And the demo importer is laying under. Let us open the WP Wingo welcome. It should be here. Okay, it is just a welcome screen, and theme options we can check. So I don't use to hide anything. Yes, so demo importer is here, and I'll show you all these options what is available here. First we need to complete the demo. And okay, so increase the max execution time 40,000, and the PHP memory limit 512. So you have to check all the credentials that are required for importing the demo content, and I have all these things. So I am starting the demo by clicking on import demo options, laying under the WP Wingo theme options, that is demo importer. Okay, so let us start, and now I believe it will start, and screen is showing the percentage of completion, and we have to wait on this screen because this is the process which may take time up to 4 or 5 minutes, and it depends on your internet speed and your server capacity, and also it is depending on the connection with the developer server. So all dependencies are here, and it is going to take time. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. However, you may use another tabs meanwhile to explore more about the Kidsy WordPress theme. So let the process to be completed, and it is at 5% in just few seconds, and I'll wait for the 100%. It reached to 14% after few minutes, and a simple check that whether the demo is actually going or not, we can open the media section in another tab and can check the media library, and yes, we are getting images. So this is being a simple check, and as of now 60 media items has been imported. So it should keep increasing while the demo import is going on, and yes, we have to wait for the again after few minutes. It is on 97, and let us check the percentage. It is 23% as of now. So again, there is a simple trick. If it stuck and it is not increasing, you can simply refresh this page and import demo again. It will definitely increase. It was 23% as of now, and now it is 24, so it is simply increasing. So we have to repeat the process of refreshing and importing the demo content, and we need to wait until it goes to 100%. And finally the import button turn into imported button, and it has the demo content has been imported as I assume. Let us check the media items, how many media items we got in this import, and it is 206. So it is a big number. In fact, this is why it was taking time, and the demo content brought 206 media images for the demo website, and it is all available for us. We can simply use these images at our website. However, it is recommended that you should use own images at your website. And now we can check the pages, how many pages we got in this demo import. Yes, so 25 pages has been published and 27 are total number of pages, and we got all the home pages. All 8 home pages are here, and home one is front page by default, and rest pages you can set a front page, that is home page. So all home pages has been provided in the demo itself, and rest of pages are also available here. So it is great. And now we can have a look of our website, and it is loading up, and yes, it is all here. So we got a wonderful website in this demo import, and everything is complete. Just we need to put our own content on products, on images and description, and our website will be ready in just few hours. So it is a great featured website. Let us check the internal functionality of shop, and it is working very fast. So as I told you, technically this is very good combination of framework and technology. So, and that is add to cart and buy now option is already here, so it is rarely available in WooCommerce. Buy now is an additional feature in fact. So this is available in this theme, and it is minimal, but it is presenting the content in a very specific and sophisticated manner. So it is a complete website, of course, and it is fast enough to work on the web. So this is being the advantage. And okay, so the image lens is also here, and all the features are here. So wish list and search and the profile login section is already available here. So we got a complete website with all the home pages. You can choose any home page, all are available for you. Just you need to set the home page as you want, and all home pages can be yours. So you have to make a selection only. The website is complete. Now I will show you the options that we got. WP Bingo. So this is being the theme panel, and let us see what is available here. And this is the general setting, and background image, newsletter form, and back to top etc. So can be uploaded here. Logo can be uploaded from this screen. Vertical menu, header section. So there are many headers to choose with. You can choose your desired header here, and some settings has also been given on this screen. So it is all for you. So header information can be changed from here. And next is footer section. Similarly, you have choices for footer as well. Copyright information, page title, 404, social share, social links. Styling can be changed from here. So banner effect is given here separately, and compile CSS, loading overlay settings has been given. E-commerce setting has been given. So subcategories, column desktop, and so style laptop, layout shop, sorry. So these all can be handled from here. single product, image product, and you can set the layout and even border colors and all such things. Blog setting, demo importer we have already used, import export option is here. So these are the basic and minimal setting, but yes, these are enough settings that we need for our website. And now I am looking for the next. WP Clever is another thing, variation swatches. So it has been used on website, just in case you want to use this feature, it is available. Similarly, variation swatches are here. So it is basically for WooCommerce and the enhancing the functionality of WooCommerce and all. So rest things are as common as in WordPress. Finally, I am going to show you how to edit the content of page. However, it is very simple for you, as this website uses Elementor. But if you are new to Elementor or WordPress, you can take a backup of home page at least, so that just in case you made any mistake during the updation of content, you can restore the page. And it is very simple to edit the content. Just open the page that you want to edit and hit on edit with Elementor. And the Elementor page will be loaded, and you can simply edit the content. So this section, hero image section, uses revolution slider, so this section can be handled in revolution slider section, and you might be aware about. I'll show you the revolution slider as well. So slider revolution is here, and all the sliders are here, so you have to choose your desired one that is being used, and simply click on the area of edit, and this is available. As and where you want to edit, you can edit the content, and just like in case you want to edit the text, you can edit it here. So the revolution slider is for hero section of this event. This is the section, and rest sections can be edited from the Elementor itself, and you just need to click on the area where you want to edit. Just keep in mind, you have to use same dimension images and same length content as it is used in the demo website, so that integrity of design may remain intact at your website. So it is very important. Okay, so it is simple to edit, and you can do at it your own. And now we have successfully installed the complete theme along with the demo website and all. So it is a smooth installation, and I believe you can make a wonderful website using Kidsy WordPress theme. And you might have certain questions regarding this theme, so you don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and theme is available for you. Just follow the link given in the description that comes with the hosting plan. So choose the hosting plan, desired hosting plan, and you can get the theme only. So it is up to you, whatever you want, all is available. Just follow the link. And yes, we are meeting with another video with another theme or plugin or utilities. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.